Hello everyone. I want to make a few financial videos where by providing that it kind of education to Americans where they can able to get the best interest rates and they can knock the right door in order to get the right loan. So why me? Right. So I have more than 20 years of experience working in banking and financial sector and I have taken a few loans as part of my journey, and I have seen who is better and who can provide the best interest rates, and whom should I go and knock the door when I need it. So today the topic is where can I get best personal loans. So why you need a personal loan? Cannot have all the times the money in the bank account. It could be because of inflation, recessions, job market, many aspects, right? Sometimes we fall in sick, sometimes, we get unexpected expenses like kids' educations, or we have to fix the home, or we have to buy some furniture, or we have to make international travels or domestic travels, or you have to go for a vacation with your family, and where you want to repay this amount back to the banks. So personal loans generally are unsecured loans where you can able to get the loans based on few documents, and with just a signature you can get your personal loans. And now let's get into the more details of it, like where can I get the best personal loans with the low interest rates? So that's $1 million question, right? So even I had the same kind of experience in past. So when I see the advertisements from private lenders and the private banks, right? So I thought, what, they are the one who provides the better interest rates. But when I go and run my credit check and all, right, so always they give me like way high interest rates, and that blow up my mind. And when I go and do my research, I found like, there are really cool banks, the community banks near you, but you won't be knowing them. But if you research yourself, you can get the better loans from them. And why do I care? Yep, why do I care? I can go and get it. But, if you want to save money, obviously everyone is working to save the money. So if you want to save the money, you have to do some kind of research by yourself to go and look who is the better providers in the market, right? And these rates changes very often based on your Fed rates, and based on the inflations, and how the market is doing, and all those things it matters, and as well as your credit history. Do I need to pay the processing fee? Most of the personal loans don't, but certain private providers, they do take a processing fee and as well as high interest rates. Be aware of that, and look around, look for the right providers who can offer you without any processing personal loans. Is there any place I can evaluate all the better loan providers and compare the interest rates? Yes, there are one, and there are many places where you can go, but all I've seen, all of them provides you like the private lenders, uh, and who was paying them huge money for advertisements and things like that. But when it comes to the real consumers, is that really beneficial? I doubt. So let me take you there. So there is a site called www.lendmesh.com, LENDMESH.com. So here is a site where you can able to provide and compare the rates. This is mostly educational site. It will give you the right information where you can go and choose, and there is no middleman here and nothing like that. So you can go here. Either you can go to the loans and select the personal loan, or you can select by clicking here personal loans. So by default, when you land up in this page, based on your local, it automatically sends which state you are in and which area you are in, and according to that, it automatically customize the rates or the providers for you, and out of which it will try to filter are sought based on, like, the lenders who are the better in the industry and who offers the less interest rates. It offers you that, and as well as the term and the maximum amount that, as part of the personal loan you can avail. If you have a exceptional credit history, you can go up to 35,000. If you have very good credit history, you can go up to 35,000. But if you have a bad credit history, you may not get that much, but maybe you can get like 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 based on your credit history and your salary and the mode of repayment and all. So uh, it lists down all the credit unions, the topmost in US, and as well as your local bank. For example, the Civic is your local bank, and whereas Affinity Plus, the Payoneer, all those things are like, they offers throughout US, and you can able to get it. By clicking on more details, you can able to see, like, how can you become the member of them. Most of the credit unions, they are very particular in terms of who can they can invite, but private lenders are not like that. They invite everyone so that they can make money, whereas credit unions, they are very particular in terms of, like, who they can offer. But some credit unions, with minimal fees of $5 or something as such, like, you can get a member with them. And the good part about the credit unions are, like, you can have the minimum balance of $1 to $5. Most of them, if you just have the $5 in your bank account, that's good enough. You can able to start a credit union. And so there is another thing called consolidated loan. Consolidated loan is nothing but where you can, if you have more loans, or if you have uh, debt on your credit cards where you are paying like high interest rates, 15%, 20%, 30%, like that, right? So the better option is, like, they go to credit unions, talk to them, tell them that, what, I have 5 credit cards, I have to pay $20,000 to it, and I'm paying this much interest rates. I want to see how I can able to reduce my interest rate so that I can save money. So obviously they will offer you a consolidated loan kind of an opportunity where you can take the money, you can repay all your credit cards, and you just pay very less interest rates to the bank. That's all it is. So this is about the personal loans, and you can check it. And I think this website, they are still adding and more the local banks. And what I understand so far, they have integrated around some 30 to 40 banks plus, and they are still adding more and more. So always keep an eye on it, and it's kind of an education. For example, on click of in the next button, it will directly take you to the bank page where actually you can able to see the loan information, how much it is, and how much it costs and all. So you can go directly and apply it. So there is no middleman as such here. You can directly get this information. And if you want to know more about the credit union, anything for that matter, if you click on this particular logo, you can able to show, like, the where they are, and about the credit union and membership eligibility, and what kind of a documents that they need in terms of opening the membership, and the bank highlights what they are offering it, and other miscellaneous information. So also this section also provides for this particular credit union, this also provides that, the personal loan section, auto loan section, and the mortgage, student loan, whatever they are offering it, and they'll provide you details of it. Right. So the another cool feature I would like to tell you in mobile kind of version, right? So if you see, if you are into this particular one, it automatically trims down your mobile page, and on click of more details, you can able to see the other information, right? So this is another cool feature. I liked it. So I hope these details helps you. And yeah, before take any personal loan, please do your research before you come into any bank or any providers, so that way you can able to save money. So that's all I have today. Thank you. Good day. Bye bye.